Go. Thanks for just a little bit. Let's go. Oh, yes. And the first time that I ever drove this powertrain was in a 2011 550i. And back in the day when I first drove this car, the 5 Series, I was just so blown away by its engine, the torque curve, and the way this torque comes on. It just bashes you right in the back. Welcome back, everyone. Today we are driving a 2011 BMW 750 Li on our channel. I want to say a huge thank you to Armen over at AREN Auto Group for providing me this car. All this information will be in the right-hand corner side of the screen. Also, if you use the promo code DMCarReviews, you get an additional $500 off any online price of any car that you see. So if you're looking for a car, reach out to him. But let's get her fired up. And let's go take a look outside. The 7 Series comes with a 4.4 liter twin turbo V8. I love the look of these older 7 Series. There's just something very authentic and attractive about them. So here we have a large, roomy rear seat. Excellent quality materials everywhere, soft to touch, beautiful wood. Let's hop in the back. We have automatic shades. Wow. It feels so comfortable to sit inside this cabin. The seats are incredibly comfortable. We got rear heated seats, climate system, a large armrest with extending cup holders, a black headliner, these are very attractive multi-contour seats that have over 20 adjustments as far as I know. Let's go check out the trunk space. We got a large trunk, plenty of storage space, an automatic lift gate. But let's open up the trunk, the hood. Oh yeah. So here we have the twin turbo V8. It's an excellent potential powertrain that is very tunable, very easy to modify. So jumping into this cabin, we are greeted to a comfortable, cozy interior. with extraordinary seats. These are actually one of the comfiest seats that I've been in. They got perfect support, shoulder room for the side support. It's perfected. They're also heated and ventilated. We got the dual zone climate. We got this little slide out storage space. I wonder what it's for. It's a great question. Then we have storage space here. We got the park distance control with the backup camera. We also have the parking aid lines. Auto hold. We got different driving modes, so comfort, sport, sport plus, eco pro. Oh no, I think this one does have eco, yeah, eco pro as well, sport, sport plus, but we're going to start out in comfort. We got a heads-up display, automatic headlights, distance warning, auto dimming mirror with home link, SOS button. All the lights work. But let's go do a horn test and begin the test drive. All the materials here across the cabin are top-notch, and just the way it sounds and starts off. Good turning radius. And it just feels so effortless on the power. We also have a navigation system here as well. A very good quality system. The screen was released, like this setup was released in 2011, and it looks great for its years. It's still way more high definition than anything that Toyota releases in most cars nowadays, or Honda. This is a way better screen. But before giving the 7 Series some gas, let's warm her up a bit. But here you don't even need to put much gas. It just got so much torque. Wow. I didn't even go halfway on the throttle, and it was already flying. The soundproofing here is a 10 out of 10 with the rainy road and all that water under us. I don't hear anything. There's no wind noise. You just hear the purr of the V8. Magnificent powertrain. Strong brakes with instant response. The surge of torque is breathtaking for a large yacht like this. It just hits you right from behind and you're going. The seats feel great. They're very comfortable. The visibility is pretty good for such a large car. I can see everything in the blind zones. No issues with that. But let's make a U-turn and do a little bit of acceleration here. Yeah, the power is phenomenal. This car moves like crazy. And there's so much mid-range pull. But let's do a 0 to 60 test and see how quick it is from idle. Go. Thinks for just a little bit. Let's see what we got. So we did 0 to 60 in 5.77, 0 to 62 in 6.02, and the 1/8 mile at 9 seconds flat at 83.5. This is again just the very first try that we've done. Let's come here and do it one more time. All right, let's reset it. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Let's go. Excellent. So this time we did again 5.8 seconds, 6.11, 0 to 62, and the 1/8 mile again came in 9 flat at 82.69. So as you can see, the times are very consistent. I will not do launch control because it's wet, it's just gonna wheel spin, there's no point. But with launch control, we'd probably get into the low 5s for sure with launch control, maybe even break the 5s with good traction. Today we're not getting the ideal times because it's wet and the xDrive is putting the power down more smoothly versus on a dry day. So on a dry day, we probably could be doing mid-5. I'm very impressed by how nicely the 7 Series handles. There's virtually no body roll, goes into the turns with ease, but that low end torque is just so good. It pulls you right in, and it's so immediate, and it builds, and builds. And the cabin, it's hushed quiet. I can whisper. It's so quiet in here. BMW makes the best heads-up displays in my opinion. They're just so clear and crisp and easy to read and see. The sound of the V8 is like melody. Like a melody to my ears. When driving this 7 Series, normally I wouldn't even worry about sport mode. There's so much torque and comfort. It's so powerful. Look at this, I'm not even pressing the gas. There's absolutely no need for Sport or Sport Plus here. Everything can be done in comfort. And the first time that I ever drove this powertrain was in a 2011 550i. And back in the day when I first drove this car, the 5 Series, I was just so blown away by its engine, the torque curve, and the way this torque comes on. It just bashes you right in the back, and it's such an enjoyable feeling. It's such a treat when you press that gas. And back in that day, that was the fastest car I've driven, the 2011 550i personally. Look at those great brakes. This is what the true definition of effortless power is. As you can see at its mileage of 86,000, the engine is running beautifully. It's a very healthy unit. Runs great. Let's take some turns, but let's go into Sport for that. Maybe that will stiffen up the suspension a little bit. Yeah, the steering becomes heavier, much more sports oriented. Oh, I love this. This is great. What a fantastic powertrain this is. Well, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button. I would love to hear your thoughts about this car and the test drive. Let me know down in the comments below. And until next time.